If you're wanting to go boondocking or go off-grid, this is the camper for you. Today we're gonna check out this off-road beast. I had no idea they could pack so much stuff into a boondock travel trailer. This thing goes off-grid. This is the Ember 221 MSL, and it is off the chain. So take a walk around with me. First off, we're gonna have a seat because it's kind of hot. So this is our sitting area. It's got some flip down cup holders, and this whole thing will lay into a bed as well. So we got two different style tables. We actually got two of these if you wanted to put one over here as well, but I want to show you the two options. Does a little spinny, get it real close in case you gotta do some work. Don't do too much work. We're camping, remember that. Tons of storage right up above. Super nice. Got some LED lighting right above. Love these windows. These things will really open opposed to your other RV manufacturers. Check that out. Super easy to operate. And you also got shades here and shades here in case we want some breeze, but you know, there's a couple bugs. Keep that closed, still get us some airflow. Got our TV right here. It's a smart TV and it is on a swivel. More storage above and below. Right here we got our galley, our kitchen area. It's 12-volt fridge, super nice. A lot of space in that freezer actually. We're gonna get to the custom area here in just a minute. Got two burners right here, gas, tons of storage. Again, these drawers are super deep as you can tell. More storage right under the sink and also to the right. Solid surface countertops, a lot of prep space. This will also lay down in case you wanted a little bit more prep space. A little charcuterie board action, if you know what I mean. Microwave right here. It is a convection microwave as well. Again, more storage on both sides. They try to utilize all they can. We got the Furrion Cube right here. That's the best in the industry right now. Super nice. It even oscillates to where you're walking around in the coach. Gonna cool this thing off in no time. Now, like I said, before we get to the customization part, take a look at the bathroom. You've got a ton of space in here. I mean, look at this shower. It's freaking humongous. Got our toilet right here and more storage right here and right here. And even a place for some towels, some rags, some extra toiletries right here. Again, these windows, super nice. Now that we're out of the bathroom, this camper has a lot of talking points, but this one is major. Here's our bunk area, totally customizable. You can put a mat down there in case you wanted a third sleeping area. You can take this section out in case you wanted a desk. Again, don't work too much. We're out here camping, okay? And then you can either lower this, higher this, take this out completely, put you some bike racks, put you some kennels for the dogs. You could even fit a tandem kayak in if you want to stretch it out all the way. I mean, this thing is crazy. It's crazy, crazy. And then look at all the stuff you can do to it. And it even has an opening on the outside with the bug screen in case we wanted some airflow. This is our bed, super nice. Got a skylight right here with these shades again. And yes, it does open completely. Bunch of storage on either side. I mean, that's a ton, super deep, super wide. About shoulder deep, so you can fit all you need in there, plus storage above as well. This is our mattress right here. It is a Murphy bed setup, so if you want some more seating area, and it goes up super duper easy, check this out. Flip that up. Flip it up. There's our seating. Super duper easy in case we had some more company we wanted to have over, and then you just let that down when it's nighttime. That was a lot of luxury on the inside, but it's just as rugged and nice on the outside. Let me do this real quick, because that's the hottest camper on the market. Got to cool it off a little bit. I don't know if that's going to work, but take a walk around with me. First, we got our pass-through storage right here. A lot of space. Here's our solar charge controllers right there. So this camper is literally off the chain. As you can see, it's max solar. It's got 1,200 watts of solar. That's an additional 4 panels to the already 2 that they had on there. Plus, they upgraded the inverter to a 3,000 watt inverter. This thing can do it all. Check it out. Off-road as they come right here. If you'll get down and check this out, got these nice off-roading tires with the Kurt independent suspension. So it's gonna keep you good when you're going over that rocky terrain, muddy terrain. You're good, you're not gonna get stuck. Lastly, we got the Lippert tread locks. That's gonna keep your wheels locked in place, not to slide away. Right to the left of that, we got our quick LP connect in case we want to bring a little Blackstone or anything we want to. Like I said, this thing is totally adjustable. Check this out. Even has a washer dryer hookup right here. In case you wanted to have a washer dryer in there as well, you can adjust these racks. Jacks right there. It's got a telescoping ladder with a Lippert bracket mount right there, so you can move this thing anywhere around the coach you want to if you want to get on the roof. Totally walkable roof. Another entry right there, spare off-roading tire. There's our windows we got open for a little airflow going on. Here's our sewer connection right here. This is our power right here, 30 amp service. Again, this is their Overland Series, made to go overland, off-road, off-grid, boondocking, whatever you want, this camper can do it. Here's our Truma furnace output. And right here in the front, we can see that beautiful Ember logo. And one thing I want to point out before we finish, Ember on their Overland Series puts what they call this exoskeleton on there. And it's gonna make it almost impervious to leaks. Obviously, you wanna check your seals on the roof and everything, but man, they really know how to back up their product to last. If you're looking to go off-grid or boondocking, maybe take the road a little less traveled, the Ember Overland Series is the camper for you. If you want to see this camper or more like it, come on down to Bankston Motor Homes. My name's TJ, my number is 256-755-0500, and we'll see you down the road.